Hello everyone, I am Dhruvi Trivedi. Today I am going to take lecture on computer network, chapter number 1, Introduction to Computer Network and Internet. So this is the content which I have covered during this lecture. First, basic introductions of computer network, then advantage of using the computer network, then application of it, then the types of the computer network, and in the last, basic introduction to network edge and network core. So first, what is the computer network? Computer network is a system in which multiple computers are together connected and to each other and share information and resources. Now see in diagram, we have here different type of computers and different type of network devices. So if you want to share data from one computer to another computer, at that time we have two type of connection. First connection is the wired connection and second connection is the wireless connection. So if you want to transmit data from one computer to another computer, then there is a wired connection to the network devices. And if you want to send data wirelessly, then at that time we have a send data wirelessly to the network devices, to the one laptop to another laptop. Now let's see advantage of the computer network. The first advantage is the file sharing. This is the major advantage of the computer network. In this, the advantage, one person sitting on the one location and send their file to another location. For example, if I am sitting in the Anand city and I want to share my file to my friend which is located at the Vadodara. So throughout the email services or email application, we can send a file one location to another location. The next advantage is the flexible access. So user can log anywhere from their place. They can access their file remotely. If I am sitting at my home and access my files at the office, at that time it is easy to access my file using the computer network. Then third advantage of the computer network is the entertainment. In the entertainment, there are the music, game, movies are available and accessed by all users entire the globe. So it is easy to user to view movie, play game and different users. Then fourth one is the better communication. Using the computer network, user can connect and communicate with each other through such an application like email application or chat application. Next advantage is the internet access. Using the computer network, user can access internet throughout the globe. Many of the computers are connected each other through the internet connectivity and they can easily access high-speed internet through the network. Next one is the inexpensive system. In this, the multiple computers are connected together and share one resources like the network printer. It is a shared resources means a reduction of the network cost. Few of the computers are connected each other and network printer is also connected to the same printer. At that same time, if any one of the computer want to print at their can it will print of the network printer. So it will saving the printing cost. As well as if we want to connect with the file server, at that time it will save the storage cost. Now next advantage of the computer network is instant and multiple access. If many of the user can access the same information at that same time, it is a very much helpful. Suppose one user can send the command to printing the command. At that same time, another user can also execute the same command. Then it is very helpful. It is also possible with the help of the computer network. Then next one is the resource sharing. In this advantage of the computer can it connect with the different network devices like printer, scanner, fax machine etc. So we can use the sharing of devices with the different of computer. Now let's see application of the computer network. So first application is the email services. A computer network provides flexibility to send and receive email across the world in the few seconds. Then second application is the teleconferencing. In teleconferencing, voice conferencing as well as video conferencing, which are based on the computer network facility. In this, the participant has need not to be present on the same location. Next one application is the business and finance. In the current situation, the most of the work and business is done over the computer. So in the banking, financial side and stock exchange, the most of the corporate office using the computer network. So can they use the email services or chat services and data transfer services in their work. The next application is the file and directory services. It provides the to store file in the centralized location. So if any of the user can send and receive the file from the central location and can share the same file to other side, and many more applications are available. Then the type of computer network. In computer network, there are different categories as per the size and their purpose. In computer network, they can be categorized by the geographical area and size can be expressed through the geographical area. Some of the different network based on the size, like first one is the lane, local area network, then second one is the main, metropolitan area network, then third one is the WAN, wide area network, and fourth one is the PAN, personal area network. These are the types of the computer network. So first, local area network. In local area network, the computer networks that are interconnected to each other to particular limited area like school, residency, laboratory, or university campus. Now let's see example in the local area network. Multiple computers are connected in a particular floor of the building in the limited area. They are connected and share their information among of them. See, this is the example of computer local area network. Now, metropolitan area network. In metropolitan area network, it is a interconnect with computer of the large area network, like metropolitan area network. Like we can say that like city. Then main is the larger than LAN, but it will be smaller than the area covered by the WAN. Then it is also used to interconnection of several local area network. So we can say that the different type of local area network are combined together and make the one network, which is called as the metropolitan area network. Here see example. In this example, suppose central office is located at the Rajpur city and branch office is located at the Morbi. So both are connected together. And if the warehouse is located at Navagam and factory outlet is located at the Safra. So all are interconnected and individual LAN. So these LAN are combined together and make one network. It called MEN, Metropolitan Area Network. Now, wide area network. In this area network, the computer are connected each other in large scale, like geographically large area network. So combination of LAN create the main, but here combination of various main creates the WAN. So WAN connects different network, including local area network and metropolitan area network. So it may be located with the state or a country, or it may be interconnected around the world. Let's see example. So this is the example of Asia, America, and Africa. So here multiple computers are connected to the each other in a LAN, and these LAN are connected to the main, and all of the main are in the larger region. So we can say that all the globe or particular country or state, it will be wide area network. Now let's summarize all the three types of network. So first, local area network is covered the limited area network like school, hospital, or any corporate office. See LAN. But if we consider large area, then compared to LAN, so like city. So all the LAN combination of LAN tech together make a main metropolitan area network, and collection of main. So we can say that city and to city connection make the wide area network. So here basic comparison of these three type of local area network. First one is the local area network. It is limited to geographical areas or small group of a computer, like our computer lab. When we consider as a main, it is the relatively large or such a if in a few cities, or we can say that a town connection, or we consider as a WAN. It is a span large connectivity, and it will be connect to the countries together. Example, internet. So internet is the network of network. Now next one is the ownership of the network. First, private. The land ownership is the private. So we can say that any school or hospital or local area network is a private ownership. But in the main, it can be private or it can be public. Or in the wide area network, it also can be private or public. So design and maintenance for LAN, it will be easy because it is a small area. So it is easy to maintain and design. But in the main, some it is a some build difficult in the, and in the WAN it is the difficult compared to main. Then propagation delay of LAN short, because it is the short distance of cabling in the LAN. Then in the main, it is the moderate between the LAN and WAN. And but in the WAN, it is the long propagation delay because it is the spread across the network. Now next is the speed of the data transfer. In local area network, speed of the data transfer is high. Then in the in metropolitan area network, it would be moderate, or we can say that it is the average of it. And in when it compared to low other two. Then equipment are used in the LAN, NIC, switch, and hub. Then equipment that are used in the metropolitan area network, it is modem and router, because we need to connect two different network using this network component, modem and router. And in the wide area network, it is the connector to different metropolitan area network. So it is the spread across the globe or state, or so we can use the microwave, radio, transmitter, and receiver. Then range of local area network is approximately 1 to 10 kilometers. Then in metropolitan area network range is the 10 to 100 kilometers. And like wide area network, the range is the beyond the 100 kilometer. Then LAN network is used for college, school, and hospital. Then metropolitan area network is used for the small towns or cities. Then wide area network can be used for the like state or country. Now let's see what is the internet. So internet is the example of the computer network, or we can say that it is the network of the network. So it is an internet. So internet is the type of a worldwide computer network. It is the collection of a different infinite number of connected computers which are across the globe. When two computers are connected to each other, they can transfer the video, graphics, picture, or text as well as or voice also. So let's see few network devices which are helpful to make the internet. So first one is the PC, then laptop server machines or smartphone or network devices, router, modem, or wireless links like base station. And these wireless links are physical, is a physical medium, or we can say cable or router. These are network components. Using these, we can make a network. So different network make the internet. So first we see here institutional network like our college campus or lab network. Then different computer are connected to the uh, software or router, wired connection or wireless connection. Then really religion internet services, it provides at that time different devices are connected together, and it is connect to the global internet service provider. And global internet service provider connect to the different network, seeing if wireless network like mobile phone or laptop or any wireless gadgets are connected to the base station. So we see here, we can say that hmm, there is a wireless network or wired network are connected to each other. So different of the network are, or we can say that a network of network are as the internet. Thank you.